Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. I am your biology teacher and my name is Farah Anjum. Welcome to AppSec online support program. This one is week 6, day 3, our chapter number 7, bioenergetics. Dear students, today we are going to solve some worksheets, and by solving these worksheets you can assess yourself. So the topic is photosynthesis. The question is, draw a picture of chloroplast. Be sure to label each part that is significant to photosynthesis and give me a brief explanation of each part. Here is the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast consists of two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and inner membrane forms infolding. These inner membrane fold to form a coin-like structure. Here you can see the coin-like structure that is stacked upon each other. These are called thylakoid. Okay, and the full stack of thylakoid is called grana. The ground mass or the fluid-like structure in the chloroplast is called stroma. We have go through the diagram labeling. Now you have to explain each part, the structure and function of each part. Okay. Then next question, this question is also very important, that write or what is the equation for photosynthesis, and the equation is CO2 plus H2O, light and green pigment combine to form 6 carbon glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen O2 is produced as a byproduct. Here is the roadmap equation for photosynthesis. You have to fill in these blanks. The first blank is in the first blank you have to write the correct option. Then I have entered here water. Then next is arrow. Above and below arrow you should uh, write the points or the reactants. Then two blanks are for the products. So in the next question you have to write photosynthesis needs, means you have to write reactants in these four blanks, and photosynthesis produced products of photosynthesis, two products you have to write here. Understand? Now the next question is, what are the two raw materials for photosynthesis? Answer this question. Simply the reactants. The two main reactants are the raw material of photosynthesis. Write the correct answer of this question. The next task is green task, fill in the gaps. Plants make their own food using a chemical reaction called photosynthesis. This reaction takes place in the presence of light. In this reaction, carbon dioxide reacts with the what? With the water. In the presence of light, energy to make glucose and oxygen. Then the dash in the chloroplast absorb the light energy. The chlorophyll, green pigment, absorb the light energy. The carbon dioxide enter the plant through dash. Carbon dioxide enter from stomata in the leaf, and water enter through the root and root hairs. This is the you have to fill these blanks. Then the next is orange task, knowledge application. State and explain whether photosynthesis would occur in the following situation. The situations are a bright sunny day, at night, in root hair cells. Okay, explain these points, these situations. Red task is experiment procedure. Okay, we have done or we have go through this experiment. Question about this experiment is, which gas do the bubble contain? Question number 2 is, explain what would happen to the number of bubbles if the plant was placed in the dark, and explain what would happen to the number of bubbles if more carbon dioxide is dissolved in the water. Question number 4 is, if you are investigating how the light intensity impacts the speed of photosynthesis, what is the independent variable? Dependent variable and control variable. Okay. The next one is, the light in this experiment come from a lamp. How could you change the light intensity from low, medium to high intensity? And question number 6 is, what would you expect to happen to the number of bubbles as the light intensity increases. And the challenge is, what does the plant need the glucose produced during photosynthesis for? Now your homework task is to attempt these mentioned questions and learn the lecture. Hope all of you have understood the basic concept of photosynthesis by doing these worksheets. If you have any question, you can ask anytime. Thank you, take care, and have a nice day, students.